Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually all about hair. This mess of a hair. As you guys can see, this is actually my natural hair. I just brushed it. Look at this. Today's video is gonna be all about Verb Ghost Oil. I'm gonna show you guys how it actually works on my hair, on this hair. Let's see how many miracles this product is gonna do on my hair. So if you guys want to see how my hair ends up, please keep watching. As you guys can see, my hair is a mess. I haven't cut it like in 2 years. Yeah, 2 years. I just want to see how long I can actually grow my hair. But today we're actually gonna be using this product right here. It's Ghost Oil, Verb Ghost Oil. It's a Suri Moringa blend and weightless hair oil. I heard a lot about this brand and they actually send it to me complimentary so I can review it for you guys. I'm actually part of the Verb Friends. It's kind of like affiliate program that they have right now. So you guys want to check out the product, please check the link below and you guys can check out the products. They're like cruelty free. They're, what else? Isn't it like, what else isn't it? Vegan. They're vegan also. So let's see what it does to my hair. I always separate my hair into two. To this side, I'm just gonna put it like this, like that. So now I'm gonna put some Ghost Oil, like this, little bit. Burn. Actually, I'm gonna need more than that. See how it actually like making it look now like really smooth, like it's not puffy anymore. I'm gonna take my straightener and I'm gonna straight it. I don't separate my hair, I just separate them too. I'm like lazy. Then I'm gonna straight it like that. Straight the parts that are visible. See all the steam coming out. I actually washed my hair yesterday before that, you know, I gotta wash it. See how it makes it look so much better. And I have like no layers. And you know, that's one thing I wanna do. I wanna cut my hair but in layers. I don't want, you know, short hair. And summer's already over. I should have done a long time ago, but I'm just lazy. Maybe I should call this the lazy channel. Wow, do you guys see the difference? Like, look. I know I have to like do more, but really big difference. Okay, look at this. Look how straight my hair looks. Even to the here. Look how bad it is. Now we're gonna go to this one. We're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put a little. Did I put some? No, I didn't. Okay, so now we're gonna do my left side. I'm gonna put some. I don't know if I did, but now we're gonna do our left side. I always find it easier to do my left side than my right side. I don't know why. Maybe because I separate them differently. I don't know. Each side should have the same hair. and we're done with the hair. Look at this. Look how pretty it looks. Like look at this. Look at this silky smooth hair. It looks different. It looks really nice. I think you guys can see the difference between like my regular hair and my straight hair. You guys can see the difference. Oh, how good this product makes your hair look nice. Like makes it look healthy and not burned out like what my hair looked like before. Yeah, I mean, it fixed it. It fixed actually stops from, making it look so bad. Even though I have like split ends, I haven't cut my hair in 2 years. Haven't done anything in 2 years, and it's been a long time, and I've been thinking about doing my hair, but I like it. I think I'm gonna grow it out, but I do need layers. I actually do need layers, and yeah. My hair has been different since I started using this product. It stopped being frizzy, like it's workable. It's I can go without straightening it for such a long, like I think like a day or two since I started using this product. This product comes with smoothie moringa blend and wellness hair oil. They're cruelty free, so you guys go check it out. I have a link in my bio. You guys can check out their links, their products, what they're about. I don't know, I'm not sure if you guys have heard of them, but actually they gifted me a whole box of products so I can review for you guys, and you guys can check it out. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe down below, follow me on social media. I'm always posting on Twitter and Instagram. And also I want to thank you guys so much for your support for all this time in Twitter and Instagram. Thank you guys so much. You have no idea what it means to me, your support. So thank you. Thank you everybody who's been watching my videos too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.